Sir, yes, sir. It's recording is started.
Fine. Yeah.
Shall I continue, sir?
Yes, yes. Go ahead.
Okay. So we are honored to have with us Mr. Maheshwara Kumar Muthusamy, consultant at HCL, Madurai, and AWS community builder. So thank you sincerely for facilitating this valuable opportunity for our students and community. Now I would like to invite Mr. Maheshwara Kumar Muthusamy, sir, to kindly give a short introduction and share a few words with us before we move into the question and answer session. So please, sir.
Yeah. My name is Mageshwara Kumar Muthusamy. I am an AWS community builder. I carry around 25 years of experience in IT industry, and I traveled and worked in different countries like USA, Europe. In Europe, I worked in Germany, Italy, France, Swiss, and Denmark, and in Middle East in Saudi. And From 2019 onwards, actually, I am promoting cloud, AWS, and multiple different vendors in cloud, actually, especially predominantly mostly into AWS, actually. I got the status of AWS community builder last 4 times, actually, and I got the AWS community builder status. So I am actively promoting the AWS cloud. So this is a small brief intro about myself, actually. Thanks, Harini, and I sincerely thank BroskiesHub for giving this excellent platform to interact with the future entrepreneurs and future CEOs, actually, and all the energetic students. Thanks.
Thank you so much, sir, for the insightful introduction. Now we will begin our interactive question and answer session. Dear participants, if you have any questions or doubts about AWS or cloud career opportunities, please feel free to raise your hand and you can directly ask the sir.
Yes. So directly we are waiting for the questions, right, Harini?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Right. Yeah, students, make use of this opportunity. If you have any doubts, please ask your queries. I am here to explain, clarify your doubts, actually.
Hello, sir. This is Sai Charan from Chennai.
Yes, I, yeah.
So, can you give me a roadmap like or a certification for get into the
Right, Sai. So, Sai, your doubt is like what certification you want to take, right, Sai? So, Sai,
exact?
I have a question for you. Can you share a little bit about yourself, actually, if you don't mind? Means like, are you studying? Are you a professional or a student? Or
No, sir. I'm just a fresher searching for a job.
okay, you completed your education, right? I mean, you completed your studies, like graduation, like you completed your degree.
Yeah, completed, sir. This year I completed my degree.
Okay, engineering degree, right?
B.
Right. Fine, Sai. Let me explain. So, Sai, you are looking for these things. People here in this meeting, this is the excellent opportunity for you guys. Actually, you right now we are in a cloud era. Actually, okay, cloud is mostly it is picking up in the market. Actually, okay, so a lot of opportunities for cloud professionals. So Sai was asking about what kind of certifications you can do. Okay, let me share my screen.
And also having a doubt on like what could be a impact on impact in AI.
Yeah, yeah, I will explain. First, I will explain about the certification, and then I will come to your point. Actually, okay. Hope my screen is visible. Harini, is it visible?
Yes, sir. It is visible, sir.
Give me a second. Sai, this is the like different types of AWS certification. Sai actually, for example, generally, Sai has taken this question. So I am explaining this part to everyone actually. Okay. So first, anybody who want to get into cloud, whether technical, non-technical, any person actually, for sales or a PMO or a product manager, everyone, those who are not in technical also, they can take this, they can study cloud actually. You can be any other engineer, not only respected to computer science or IT. Okay, you would have studied BE mechanical or BE computer or BE ECE or electronics actually, triple E. Okay, or civil. Okay, first you have to go through this AWS certified cloud practitioner. This is the one of the basic certification. It gives you fundamentals actually. Okay, so once you clear the certification, then you have the then you are certified saying that you know the fundamentals well actually. Okay, but if you know the things fundamentals fine, you don't want to take it actually. People in a non-technical background, if they take it, it is an added advantage for them. But those who are in technical, there is a certification called AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate actually. Okay, so this is like it explains various services. AWS is having 270 services actually. Okay, out of this, it will explain very basic services. So you can get this certified, and then if you are certified as an associate architect level, then you have very good advantage of getting jobs as an associate architect actually. Okay, the third certification is SysOps. Okay, you say that I don't want to get into architect, I don't want to get into development. I am an administrator, like system administrator, working with server and these things. Then you can do this certification. It is called AWS Certified SysOps Administrator Associate. Okay, and for the next certification is AWS Certified Developer Associate. Actually, if you are a developer, you can do this certificate. And the other certificate is Certified Solutions Architect Professional. Okay, so if you can do the professional certificate, and you become more its own level more than associate level actually. Okay, then if you are good in DevOps, you can do DevOps certification. Somebody who are into cyber security, there is a special certification called AWS Certified Security Specialty. Okay, I haven't listed it. That is another certificate is there, and another certificate is called Network Engineer actually. Okay, so that is also the certification is there. So, Sai, if you want to categorize yourself and if you want to be a certified solutions architect, I advise you to go for certified solutions architect associate. Take this certificate, develop your skills actually, and in cloud, and try to apply for jobs. You will get a job actually. Okay. Once you have the associate, then you can go for professional. Second, another certificate is there actually. I will explain you. So, Sai was asking about the artificial intelligence, right? He is asking what is the impact of artificial intelligence.
Yeah, sir. Specifically on computing.
Yes, cloud computing. Yes, I am coming to the point. There is a certification called AWS AI Foundation. Okay. So this certificate, certified AI practitioner, this is the certificate actually. 1 minute. If you put the AWS certified is a foundation level certificate designed for individuals interested in demonstrating their understanding of AI. Okay. There are a lot of services within AWS. Okay. Now it is like AI is a trending word, right? AWS is having lot of services related to AI, and they have a specified foundation certificate actually for the AI practitioner. AI if you go here, these things, you can see about this certification actually. Okay, it gives demand of artificial intelligence, generative AI concepts and use cases. It is like AI practitioner foundational certificate. Okay, so I think you are answering to your question, Sai. Actually, if you want, if you are studying both AWS and AI, definitely you are having a very edge. Not only you are studying cloud and including AI means AWS is having a lot of services in AI actually. Okay, so if you do this certification, then it is like it is very advantageous for you to get into a job actually. Okay, so even AI is picking up. This certification is very recently came actually. Okay, so if you do this certification, it is very advantageous for you. So it will say that you are having good skills in AWS as well as in AI actually. Okay, I think there is 50% see 50% off actually. If you put like this, you can see 50% discount on AWS certification as part of the AWS Certified Foundation Associate Challenge. This already completed, I think, before May 21st. They will say again, they will say another, they will release another date, they will say this actually. So it is close 21st actually. They are offering some challenges actually, so they will say they will give 50% discount on this certification. Join the certified for this is the thing. So answering your question actually, so this is like how to get 50% on AWS certificate actually. Okay. So this is like answering your question, Sai. Actually, any other questions, Sai, you have?
No, sir. Thank you so much for the explanation.
So 50% certification cost you have, even though AI is picking up. Now it is a cloud era. Everybody out of this cloud, there are a lot of service providers in cloud. AWS is leading the market. If you do certifications into AWS and AWS AI Practitioner Foundation certificate, then you have very good advantage actually. Okay. So out of this AI services, AWS is having Bedrock service. It is one of the AI service actually. Bedrock. We'll call it as Bedrock actually. Okay. This is the answer for your question, Sai.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Yeah. Thanks, Sai. Please unmute yourself and please make use of this opportunity and ask your questions. Hope I think I have explained about the certifications for everyone. I think am I so everybody got clarified with what kind of certifications you can take actually, guys. Please let us make it interactive. If you understand this, say yes. Actually, otherwise I will explain one more time. Actually, Harini, most of them are students, right? Actually, or professionals.
Students, sir.
Students, right? Fine. So if you are in a second year, third year, first year, even if you are in a first year, you are in your the school students also take these things. It is best time to start it. Like people like Sai who are interested in AI and AWS, they can do this AWS AI practitioner certification. Actually. So hope I have explained the AWS AI certification path actually and certification path. So any other doubts, guys? Please ask your questions. Any doubts? Let's make it. See, make use of these things actually, and so that you can able to enhance your skills actually.
Hello, sir.
Hi, hello.
Sir, how can someone stand out when applying for roles in cloud computing?
Stand out in the sense actually, I couldn't. Can you little bit explain about your question?
Sir, there is a more competition for jobs now, sir.
Correct.
I'm asking, as a fresher, how can someone stand out when applying for roles in cloud computing sector
Right.
in the field?
You are a student or you completed your graduation?
Yeah, I am a student, sir.
Second year, third year, or final year?
Pre-final year, sir.
Pre-final. That is third year, actually, right? So, how can you stand out in this competition? First, you are in your pre-final year. So, I think students are in this group maybe first year, second year, or though okay, not even first year. If you are in 12th standard, also you can start studying about this actually. Okay, but you are entering into engineering graduation or arts or any other things actually, it's fine, no problem. Okay, as I told you previously, cloud is you should have some basic knowledge actually in computers, these things. Okay, and it is better to start in the first year itself. Here in the first year, okay, you are standing out in the crowd in the sense how to get a job in the sense. First of all, I hope everybody is having a LinkedIn profile, right? Am I right? Both you are having a LinkedIn profile?
Yeah.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Fine. So that is the first point actually. Okay. First thing what you have to do is try to create your profile. Second year, third year, or final year after completing your graduation. And there are a lot of ways you can able to look for jobs in LinkedIn. Okay. So for example, as I explained previously, you have to do the certifications actually. Okay, certifications in the sense, as I explained to you the path actually, what is the practitioner, AI, and cloud fundamentals, associate level, architect level, associate architect level, DevOps, security specialty, anything, whichever is on your interest. First of all, while you are choosing your path actually, both it is for your question, if you want to specialize in something, like if I am boss, if you say that I am good at development means do basic services, learn about all the basic services about AWS and be specific actually, okay, and try to learn the AWS developer certificate and do specialization in that. Cloud is a broader term, it's like an ocean actually, okay, it's a very vast subject. AWS itself, cloud itself, vast subject. There are a lot of specializations in that. First you have to think and select what you are good at actually. If you are good at programming, go for development. If you are good at system administration, go for sysops. If you are good at architecting, go for architect. If you are good at sales or PMO or product manager, go for cloud practitioner. Okay, if you are good at AI, go and do AWS AI certification. If you are good at DevOps, go and do and DevOps actually. By this way, you are not going generally. In the initial point itself, you are filtering out your area of specialization actually. Okay, by that way you are halfway through. Okay, so when you are applying for specific jobs in the market, you will, if you have the specified certifications, you are halfway done actually. Then if you have, then I hope everybody in the students will be having a mobile, am I right? This advice, piece of advice I want to give for all the students here actually. Okay, with your mobile phone every day, if you spend 45 minutes to 1 hour for, there are a lot of YouTube tutorials for cloud actually. Okay, you don't have to enroll for, go for pay money like 30,000, 25,000 rupees for a institute and get your knowledge actually. There are abundant of resources, materials available online. Make use of this, study for the specific course, make your things actually. Okay, by boss, it is again I am coming to your point actually. I have a little bit deviated. If you studied in the pre-final year itself, start writing blogs actually. Suppose if you are interested in data, write a blog on data, post it in LinkedIn. By this way, you try to create network with fellow professionals in AWS. If you are in AWS cloud and try to network, there are a lot of profiles, lot of people in AWS throughout the world. LinkedIn, many people will be seeing that. Try to network with them. By that, like, you will gain some other inputs from fellow network people actually, friends and everyone. And try to write blogs actually. So try to write blogs, and writing blogs and writing YouTubes, giving them, prepare yourself, whatever you prepare, post it, and try to share your knowledge with the fellow students actually. By this you gain more knowledge actually. Okay, in LinkedIn, if you see, there are a lot of groups are there actually. For example, AWS group will be there, a lot of groups will be there. Try to subscribe for it. There are a lot of newsletters actually. Subscribe for it. Okay. By this way, you get subscribed and you write blogs. Your knowledge will be increased. You will apply for the specific jobs. By this way, you are standing out separately. You are not like everything you are leaning and keeping within yourself. Post it in LinkedIn, post it in blogs, Medium, everywhere actually. Okay. Quora, try to answer questions actually there. By this way, you network with more people. You will get, there are a lot of people who post lot of study materials in LinkedIn. You get linked with them, you know the knowledge, and by this way, you apply, gain your knowledge, you apply there, and you will get, you have more chances of getting a job actually. For example, let me share my screen. My screen visible? Hello? Is my screen visible, guys?
Visible, sir. It is visible.
Right. Guys, I told you first you have to go in LinkedIn. Okay. Second thing is, you go here, go to the site. Meetup.com. Okay. Here you will find many other user groups. For example, there are a lot of user groups while you are in college itself. For example, AWS user group, Mumbai. Okay, go and register there. So lot of user groups across pan India level is there actually. You can go there, you can attend the sessions actually. And for example, AWS user group, Mumbai. Okay. If you go here, it will directly go to Meetup. Okay. Mumbai or Chennai or Madurai or Coimbatore, inside Tamil Nadu, we have AWS user group Chennai, AWS user group Madurai, AWS user group Coimbatore. Wherever you are there, go and register there, and they will conduct seminars, webinars, attend that. They will conduct cloud challenges. You will get vouchers free. Okay. So go and attend here actually. Okay. Here. AWS meetup.com. Any Bangalore is there actually. Mumbai is there. If you want, you can go and register in US also. AWS user group, California. It will be there. Throughout the world, there are user groups. It is free. You don't have to pay money there actually. Wherever throughout the world, actually, you can, for example, just for example, I'm just saying, Los Angeles user group. Every user group is registered in meetup.com. Go here and register yourself. For example, click here, join this group. You have to sign in actually. Okay, I think I already signed in. Right. I already signed in. Okay, if I want to join this group, I just have to click this. Have you used user or investigating it? So by this, now I am a member of this group. Okay, welcome to Los Angeles AWS user group. You have joined a group and you are on your to making new connections. They will send a mail, okay, to your email ID. With your email ID, you have to register. So this is one thing. Okay, so try to enroll here. Another thing is, apart from this, there is another thing called AWS Skill Builder. Skill Builder. Those who are in colleges, try to listen this carefully. Skill Builder. Okay, Skill Builder means you go here, create your free account. Okay, and try to learn this. If you If you have enough points or something like that, then you can able to write the certification. They will give you vouchers free. Okay. And another thing is called, for example, AWS Educate. Student login. Skills for students actually. This is free. You don't have to pay any money for this. You grow and create your account. You try to attend it actually. Okay. And another thing is, for example, if you go to aws.com, 12 months they will give you free to practice, right? Everybody knows that information? Students? Please answer my question. If you know, say yes. Or if you don't know, say no. This is a free account. Educate, they won't ask any money. But if you go for AWS account, if you create your account here, they will ask you your debit card or something. They will get two rupees from your card and give it back to you to verify your identity. From here onwards, 12 months practicals, you can do it actually. Okay. Make, be cautious. You don't use the paid services here. Otherwise, you'll get bill. It will be automatically deducted from your credit card or debit card actually. Okay. Make use of this. So coming back to your question, boss, regarding how to stand out means, if you go and attend, write blogs, clear certifications, go and see, do an internship with a company. For example, Amazon itself offering lot of initiatives or programs actually. Attend it, subscribe for it, network with fellow people actually, and gain your knowledge. By this, if you start applying for jobs, you will stand out in the crowd. You will get a job before even you leave your college or university.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
And Janani is asking, there's a, she pinged in the chat actually. Hi sir, I am a homemaker come student doing generative AI course. We taught AWS for deploying large language models. Can you suggest me which AWS service or architect is best for deploying and scaling Gen AI models? Okay. So Janani, for Gen AI models, you can able to use AWS Bedrock actually. As I informed previously, Bedrock, SageMaker, these are all these things actually. Okay. If you know Gen AI and AWS, you can do this. AWS Bedrock actually. That is the service name. Okay, I am putting it in the chat for you. It's good. AWS Bedrock actually. BEDR. We taught here large language models. Can you suggest me which service or architect is best? And certification is now they introduce AWS AA practitioner certification. Actually. Okay. I think I hope it answered your question, Janani. Yes. Thanks, Janani. Any other people, any doubts? Do you hear any sound actually coming to me? Hello?
Yes, sir, but now it's not there, I guess.
Yeah, correct. Again, it started. I don't know what is this. Okay, fine. Go ahead. Please ask your questions.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hello.
How can students or early professionals find good mentors in the cloud or tech space, sir?
See, mentors actually, I think it is again, I am giving mentorship actually, okay, for many people. Many students approach me. For example, in your college itself, there are a lot of people will be there, like professors or your seniors. Or in LinkedIn, you can find mentors actually. You can approach them and try to get good mentor actually. Okay. I think they will say that like in the portfolio itself, they will describe about themselves. They want to give mentorship. So throughout the world, there are a lot of people. You can connect anyone remotely who is in another country or itself actually. I mean, need not be sitting nearby you or something. You can connect virtually with them. So best places, you have to effectively utilize the LinkedIn. Okay, LinkedIn or your contacts or your colleges actually or your friends or people like me like attend seminars, attend these things actually. What I'm saying like meetups, groups, seminars, every cloud seminars. These things. This is the best place to get mentors actually. Is it fine, Prabharani?
Yeah, okay, sir. So one more question, sir.
Yeah.
How do you manage continuous learning in the field that evolves so rapidly, sir?
Yes, that is a good question, Prabharani. See, for example, here it is a very competitive field actually. Okay, I started my career in mainframes. Mainframes means hope you would have heard actually. Okay, mainframes is Y2K. This problem came, am I right? And later on, Java.com boom came. Then data warehousing, lot of things came like VB, .NET, everything came. And nowadays cloud came and AI is coming. You have to continuously learn actually. Okay, you have to keep learning as a practice. You have to develop the willingness to learn actually. Okay, then only you can survive in this IT field. Okay, and be specific. So if you are good at development from the beginning itself, start concentrating in development. Okay, first 6 years you are in development, or next 6 years if you are in infrastructure means your experience will not add up actually. So try to be more specific in your specialization and keep working on it actually. Okay, carefully decide your career. Okay, yes.
Okay, sir.
Mm. And there is some few questions in the chat window. Michael has asked a question. Michael John Britta. Is companies will hire freshers as a cloud engineer? Yeah, Michael. If you have good percentage in your CGPA, they will say, am I right? Like in your BE curriculum, BTech or arts or MCA, anything, whichever you are studying, and you have good certifications as I explained previously, and you have did some projects in your final year related to cloud, and you did some internship in the third year itself, yeah, obviously they will hire freshers as a cloud engineer. Hope you have the prerequisites and the willingness and you have some basic understanding about cloud and certification. I hope, Michael, it answered your question. And Ashwint is asking how the future of AI can be integrated with cloud platforms like AWS. Sir. Can you clear my doubt? Yeah, multiple times I told you, right? From the beginning, I am saying that AI can be integrated with cloud platforms like AWS. Correct. And it can be integrated with AWS. Like you study AWS, there are a lot of services like Bedrock, SageMaker, everything, separate thing. To do AI fundamentals, actually, it can be integrated. So you have if you study both AI and AWS, you are the most wanted person here in the IT industry, actually. Nowadays, both are trending topics, actually, right? I think you have the definite edge in getting a job. The future is very bright, Ashwint, actually. Ashwint, if you start learning both AWS and your certification, I explained you, AI certified practitioner, do that certification, do preliminary AWS services, have a knowledge on that, then you will definitely have your future is very bright. Actually. Okay. What kind of AWS project is best to showcase in interviews? Yogesh, for example, to answer your question very correctly, for example, you have to choose your area of specialization. Okay, I am into data. Okay, so I have to do data related projects like Glue, Athena, Redshift, and these things. You are into serverless, you are into ML, A and ML, data science. Choose your area of specialization and do a project in that and showcase in the interviews actually. If you are good at DevOps, do the DevOps certification. do a project, demo project there, and showcase in the interviews. Okay. AWS is a common term. Within AWS, you have various branches. Whichever is related or interested of your topic, do that a project or something in a final year and project it in the interview. Okay, or do an internship. Okay. Hope it answer your question, Yogesh. Yes. Any other questions, people? As a fresher, what are the roles present in cloud computing, sir? Right. Okay. As a fresher, what are the roles present in cloud computing? As a fresher, as I told you, like if you cloud practitioner is a very basic certification. As a fresher, if you're not interested into coding or something like that, then you can go for a PMO job actually. Okay, or a project manager job, PMO job, project management office. Okay, and as a fresher, if you do this associate architect level, then you can get into technical part actually. SysOps means as a fresher you can get this system administrator role actually. Okay, these kind of things. As I explained you previous, whatever roles, whichever specific area of interest you are choosing, depending on that thing, you can get the roles actually. It's not specific. AWS is not a generic term. AWS is a generic term, but within AWS you have multiple branches actually. Okay. Yeah. Michael is asking another question. As a cloud engineer, what are my responsibility to do for the company? As a cloud engineer, lot of responsibility, Michael. For example, nowadays on-prem companies are there, am I right? And on-prem means like you want to move the data from on-prem to cloud. That is one role actually. That might be one of your responsibility. Or if you want to create a website or something, that is kind of a thing. Or you want to involve in AI, create LLMs on these things, that is another role actually. Okay, multiple roles actually. If you want to do sysops, that is another role. If you want to DevOps another role. If you are into cyber security, cloud security, that is another role actually. Okay, right. Darshan is asking, yeah, yes, it is good to have a good certificate depending on your area of interest actually. Don't forget it. Depending on your area of interest and specialization. Okay, you can get a job actually. Yes. Just to get your opinion, what kind of soft skills those are important to succeed in cloud computing in tech? Soft skill is good interpersonal relationship, communication skills, knowledge on cloud, willingness to learn, uh, yeah, get to means always like curious to learn new things actually. Okay, can you share your LinkedIn ID? Yes, I am sharing. Thanks for asking that. I am putting my LinkedIn here in my these things in the chat window. People can connect it. People, instead of posting your questions, please ask your questions in the audio level actually, so that it makes very live actually. Don't be shy. Okay. So net is slow. Yeah, I am trying to get my LinkedIn ID. Meanwhile, if someone is having a question, please speak out actually. See, last few minutes, I want to, I think for a lot of women and girl participants here. Am I right, Harini?
Yes, sir.
So I have a specific topic for them actually. I will share it with them. Before that, please make use of your please ask questions actually. We have few minutes, another 5 minutes actually. No issues. I can extend it. You can, if you have doubts, keep asking. Yeah.
Hello, sir. I'm Sudama. I'm currently at beginning of third year, sir.
Yes.
So you keep insisting on the point that you must get an certifications in so and so AWS.
Yes.
So I have a question, sir. Sir, isn't it enough to have a good CGPA like above 9 and landing a job with enough skills and projects showcasing to the interviewer, sir.
See, that is also fine actually. Okay, if people who come for the placement in the colleges, they will look for aptitude and logical skills actually. They will keep you some aptitude test. If you clear it, they will give some training. But I am just generally saying for people who want to, with that, if you have an additional certification, it will always help you. Okay, it will always help you to get a job actually.
Sir, could you suggest when will be the, I mean, perfect time to get a certificate? I'm currently at beginning of my third year.
See, it is not later. I will advise if you're a first year itself, you can start it. Now it is not too late actually. Okay, as I told you in my previous conversation, daily, nowadays, everybody is using mobile, am I right? You spend half an hour actually, 45 minutes or 1 hour in your daily, apart from your studies, try to spend half an hour or 1 hour actually, okay? You will learn the topics, you will clear the certifications. Okay, so that is
Thank you,
one.
sir.
Okay, so it is third year. It is not. It is correct time. I mean to say actually. Okay, by this time, if you have completed two certifications, well and good, but it's not too late actually. Okay, 1 minute. I am putting my. Please connect with me on LinkedIn actually. Okay. Okay, can you share the LinkedIn I share? Why AWS is famous when comparing to GCP and ACP? What is the reason? Michael is asking why AWS is famous when compared to GCP and Azure. Okay, AWS is famous when compared to GCP. AWS is leading the market actually. They came into captured all the market. They are the number one provider in the cloud provider. Lot of companies throughout the enterprises are using AWS thing. Second comes Azure and third is GCP. But lot of companies have adapted to AWS actually. That is the reason. And they have definite advantages actually. They are leading the market actually from US throughout the world, and they are having very good exposure to cloud actually. That is the reason, Michael. Okay, I shared my LinkedIn profile. Please connect with me on my LinkedIn profile actually. Any other doubts, guys? Please make use of this. So, okay, let me. I have another information are the female and girl employees actually. Let me share my screen. It is for all the girls and female employees actually. Okay. Hope my screen is visible, right? Harini,
Yes, sir, it is visible.
for example. See, especially for women, there is another program. I think still the date is not missed, I think actually, if I'm not sure. There is a program from AWS. It is called Amazon Sea Build. Still the date is there, actually. Okay. People who are women or a girl, actually, who are studying colleges, anybody can apply for this program. This is mentorship program. Someone was asking me, okay, this is for female people, actually. She. Mentorship program is a free 12-week program designed to support individuals who identify women by creating an inclusive and supportive environment. Fill in the form to apply for 2025. Every year it is opening actually. This year 2025. The application will close on June 20th, 30. By this time, it commences on September and ends by November 28th actually. Okay. Here you have to go to the put in Google AWS She Builds. You will get this. Okay. Put your first name, second name, these things. Fill your form. Submit this. If you are selected, they will let you know that the program commences on September actually. Okay. So it is one of the good program for women who can enroll it. Okay. Make use of this opportunity. I think Harini and many people are asking, am I right? For them, it is one of the good opportunity. Okay, Janani, Homer is like, see here, it is like, for example, AWS She Builds. You have to go to Google, put AWS She Builds, you will get it. Mentorship program. Every year it is opening actually. Guys, did you noted it down? Hello, please say me yes or no. Did you note it down, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is specifically for women people actually. Okay, this is what I want to put for 2025 AWS She Builds Mentorship Program. The last date for filling up the application is 30th June actually. Okay, if you are selected, you will be intimated and you will be attending that program by September. It will be concluding by November 28th, September 1st and 20th actually. Okay, thanks. This is what I want to inform you people. Right. Hello. Any other doubts, guys? We have few more minutes. What kind of working cloud computing is integrated with DevOps? Anything like cloud computing is integrated with the DevOps in the sense if you want to previously in the on-prem and all, they are doing that like deploying the code from dev to QA, QA to prod. Everything can be integrated with code pipeline, AWS code pipeline with DevOps actually. Okay, moving the code from one environment to another environment, actually, it can be integrated with DevOps actually. Okay, that is the DevOps sense. It is a combination of development and operations actually. Hope it answered your question, Narasimha. Any other doubts, guys? Please ask your questions. So first I explained about your certifications, then LinkedIn, and how to apply for these things. And She Builds, Educate, AWS Skill Builder. Make use of this actually. Go to meetup.com, register in AWS user groups, try to gain your knowledge, apply for jobs. These are the major things you have to do actually. Any other doubts, guys? Please, the time is running. Please make use of this opportunity. Somebody who asked me who want to be, because I am giving mentorships to students actually. Please connect with me in LinkedIn. I'm helping students how to find out a job. I'm working in HCL actually. HCL Madurai. If you have good percentage or something like that, good CGPA, these things. If I get any openings in HCL, outstanding students, if you have good percentage in your finance actually, please reach out to me with your resume. If there any opening comes in HCL, I will refer you there. LinkedIn, please. I think Bhaskar, I think okay. You can scroll up your chat window, you can see it, Bhaskar, but anyways, I'm just giving it again. Yeah. Any other doubts, guys? Especially for women, the She Builds program is very, very useful. They will allot a mentor for your, if you are selected. In the 12 weeks, you will learn more into cloud actually, more into AWS. Okay. Any other doubts? I think, please ask your questions actually. So, how many people know that? Do you know where is AWS region in India? Anybody from the crowd, can anybody answer this question? Mumbai. Very good, Narasimha. There is another region opened in India. Do you know where it is, Narasimha, or any other people? Mumbai is the region which is open long back actually, primary region. There is another region which is open 2023, Hyderabad. Yes, Surya, you are right. Very good. Right. Do you know who is the CEO of AWS, Amazon? CEO, not founder actually. I am asking the CEO. Okay. Let's ask easy question actually. Who is the founder of AWS, Amazon? Everybody knows that. Just for making sure actually. If someone doesn't know, they can know from this answer actually. People in the crowd, please answer this question. Who is the founder of AWS? Nobody knows. Wow. Very easy question, right? Everybody knows it. He is a very famous person. Hello? Nobody knows it. Who is the founder of AWS? Harini, Narasimha, Andy JC. Andy JC is the CEO, correct, Narasimha. I am asking founder. Founder name is ECM, right? Narasimha, I think he knows many good info on AWS actually. Everybody knows Jeff Bezos, right? Then why nobody is answering that? Okay. Jeff Bezos is the CEO, sorry, founder of Amazon actually, AWS, right? Okay. Then any things, these are the common things actually. Andy Jassy, Matt Garman, Jeff Barr, these are very famous names actually. Okay. And finally, if you don't have any questions, I'm going to share my screen with one info. I want to share you to all you guys. Every year, I think, for example, if you are a student also, there is AWS reInvent will be going on. Reinvent. Anybody can register online. Lot of programs actually. AWS reinvent. Go here. It is going to happen in December 1st. If you register for it online, you can attend this. You will get a participant certificate actually. Okay. You will get a participant certificate. Registration is now open actually. Okay. Like this, it is having a lot of things. Reinvent, innovate, lot of things. Every month it will happen, I think actually. Try to look for, browse the site. You will get the participant certificate. It will be useful for you when you go for interviews. If you say that, then it is an added invite. For example, innovate generative AI plus data. See here, Harini, I think someone was asking, right? It is happening between June 16th through 18th actually. Reinforce, innovate. Try to register for this. Register to watch on demand. Okay, you can watch that demand actually. Okay, the certifications will be like this. Uh, Builders online series. See, I attended this. You will get a participant certification like this. Okay, in 2024 I attended this. A quick start to AWS. Okay, this is how you have to keep on learn and these things. Okay. Any other doubts, guys? Actually, almost we crossed
I
the
guess we are
time.
almost done, sir. Can we wind up?
Yes, thanks. Thanks, Harini.
Yes, sir. Before that, I request all the participants to fill out the form that I'm sharing in the chat box to claim your certificates. Did the form link came?
Thank you, Harini. So we can wind up this call, right?
Yes, sir. Participants, kindly fill out the form to claim your certificates and we can wind up this meeting. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you all. Thank you, bye. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.